And today, the Dallas City Council approved a $2.5 million settlement. This in the Tony Timpa wrongful death lawsuit. Timpa died in police custody back in 2016. He had called 911 during a mental health crisis while he was high on cocaine. One of the responding officers placed his knee on Timpa's back for 14 minutes. By the time officers moved Timpa onto a stretcher, he was dead. A federal jury found that 3 of the 4 officers violated Timpa's constitutional rights by using excessive force.
Wow, a couple things come to mind. 14 minutes of having your knee in somebody's neck choking off their air. Yeah, that seems a little excessive. I mean, this guy apparently called the police on his own self because he was having some sort of mental health crisis because he was loaded on coke. It's not like he presented a risk or threat to other people. I mean, self-admitted mental health crisis. Again, there has to be better training. And, you know, what excessive force, when it results in death, it is pretty clear. I mean, if it results in death, it is excessive. You know, in the absence of, you know, being in the middle of a violent felony or something like that, or presenting deadly force to the responding officers, there's just no more reasons for people to be dying in the hands of police custody. It's just absolutely absurd. You know, there was clearly 4 officers there. 3 of them were charged with excessive force. I mean, come on. You know, the number of police there have to start pulling up the quality of the service from the other officers. So this message on this judgment was clearly a message to that police department that you guys got to do better, or there will be consequences, both financially, and I'm sure their careers are having some significant problems because of this. There are cases where police officers can be held individually liable. Those are pretty rare. But the point is, through some of these verdicts and settlements, is to send a message to the cities and their police departments to hire better people, to perform better training, it's going to be cheaper to do your job better, to have better training than it is to keep getting, you know, hit with these lawsuits. Unfortunately, the taxpayers are the ones who ultimately pay for it, but, you know, try and tell the victim's family. Let us know what you think in the comments below. And while you're down there, please like and subscribe. Thanks again for watching.